If you're seeing the message that this account might include sensitive content on X or Twitter and you want to fix it, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the simple settings you need to change depending on whether you want to remove the warning from your own profile or whether you want to view sensitive content on other accounts without getting blocked by that warning. This is a quick fix, and once you know where to look, it only takes a minute. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, if the sensitive content warning is showing on your own profile, that usually means X has been set to mark your uploads as sensitive. To change that, open X in a web browser on your computer or mobile browser because the full settings are easiest to access there. Once you're signed in, look at the left side of the screen on desktop and click More. If you're on a mobile browser, tap your profile picture in the top left corner instead. From there, go into Settings and Privacy. Next, open Privacy and Safety. This is where X keeps most of the content and visibility controls for your account. Now look for the section called Your Posts. Inside that menu, you should see an option that says, Mark media you post as containing material that may be sensitive. If that box is checked or toggled on, X will warn other people before they can see your profile or media. To fix that, simply uncheck it or turn it off. Once you do that, your future posts should no longer be automatically labeled as sensitive. Just remember, this changes how your account is treated going forward. So, if you post something that is actually sensitive, X may still apply its own rules based on the content. But for most creators, this is the setting that removes the warning from their own account. Now, if the problem is that you personally keep seeing the sensitive content warning when trying to view other accounts, that is a different setting. In that case, you need to allow your own account to display media that may contain sensitive content. To do that, go back into Settings and Privacy, then Privacy and Safety, and this time click Content You See. Here, you should see a checkbox that says Display media that may contain sensitive content. Turn that on by checking the box. This tells X that you want to be able to view media that would normally be filtered out. If you also want search results to show more filtered content, click Search Settings just below that and uncheck Hide Sensitive Content. That second option is especially helpful if you're searching for accounts, posts, or topics and the results are being blocked by filters. So if you want a more complete search experience, it's worth turning that off as well. If you don't see the changes right away, refresh the page or log out and back in. Sometimes the setting takes a moment to update across the account. Also, keep in mind that some mobile app menus can look slightly different, so if you can't find these options in the app, use the X website in a browser instead. That's usually the fastest way to make the change correctly. So to recap, if your own profile is showing the sensitive warning, go to your post and turn off the setting that marks your media as sensitive. If you want to view sensitive content on X, go to Content You See and enable display media that may contain sensitive content. Those two settings solve the most common versions of this issue. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more simple step-by-step fixes, and leave a comment if you want help with another X or Twitter setting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.